This is a review of the Gym Duffel 3 by AER. So AER makes a lot of really good work and gym gear. I'm usually not a duffel person. I much prefer backpacks, and they actually make a backpack version of this. But for gym use, duffel actually makes a lot of sense because a lot of times I bring it to the gym or to record, I just leave the bag on the floor and I can access it like a locker. Or if you put this in a locker, same thing, you can get to the shoe compartment and everything else quite easily. So in that sense, a horizontal boxy structure works for gym use, I think. So I'm going to start by opening this. The handle, it's not padded, but it's folded over and it's quite strong. I usually leave this off because it's just too much work to keep having it on and off, but this thing is not removable, so it's stuck onto one of the strap, which is fine. But let's start with the back. So the back compartment, you can see, has a strap that is designed for a roller luggage pass-through, which I don't use, but this little pocket actually is very useful. So I sometimes throw my phone in there or something that I need quickly, I will just throw it in here. It's not padded, but it's a very good quick access pocket. The reason why I want to start from the back is that this back panel is designed for a laptop, right? Now, I actually use this as a pickleball duffel a lot of times, so I'll just put my racket in there, but otherwise, it is designed for a laptop. And you can see it has a little bit of volume. This is the laptop space and it's quite large. So just to show, this is my very old 15-inch MacBook Pro. So this is the old style. And even this guy just fit into it. The bottom is, I would say, slightly suspended. But these days I carry my 14-inch MacBook Pro and it's way smaller and it fits in there perfectly fine. So that's the back. Now I'm going to move to the front. I changed the zipper pulls to these green ones because I have a hard time telling front from back, and sometimes I just need to get into it quickly to get my stuff, so I changed the front zipper pull so that I can tell easily this is the front part. So the very front has this signature center zip, aqua guard, and it goes all the way both directions, but I can tell you I seldom use this pocket just because it's kind of a strange space and things may fall out. So, you know, I guess if I have a snack bar or something, I'll throw in there, but otherwise I seldom use it. Sometimes I have to throw my keys in there, but I'll be very careful and zip it all the way back up. The front compartment, fold it down, is the organizer admin area. And in fact, this area is the same in some of their other packs. I believe the commuter brief has a similar setup. So they basically took the office portion, put it in the back and the front, right? Laptop, admin pocket, and then the rest of it is the duffel part. This is a very well done compartment, I think. I like the way AER set up these admin sides, right? This elastic pocket, quite deep. I have my mask in there. Up front, 2 pen slots in the bigger slot. I just have a flashlight there. And then mesh on this side, zipper here. So this is good for wallet, this is good for phone, and there's some more volume that I think I have my charging pack out there. Let's zoom in to take a look. Right, elastic, pen loop, mesh, stretchy, zipper, and then still plenty of volume for other things. So basically, when I'm at the gym, this is where I put all my items, phone, watch, wallets, whatever. And that's why I want to be able to tell front from back, hence the zipper pull change. Now I want to show you one annoying thing. Let's zoom out a little bit. So there's one annoying thing. See how the zipper tends to get caught in the middle? I'm not sure why there's the case. It's just hard. So I usually ended up leaving the zippers locked in the middle and just literally go left or right, because somehow this point, it's hard to get past. Maybe it's just my back, I'm not sure. I'm kind of getting used to it. But if you have one, let me know whether you have the same problem. Now let's get to what I thought the best part, but turned out to be the worst part of this bag. There is a water bottle pocket right here on the outside, which is great, right? Sports bag, of course, you want a water bottle pocket. And in fact, there's one on the outside, there's one on the inside. So you can carry twice as much water, which is great. This pocket, however, is giving me a lot of problems. You can tell even now, right, it's very, very loose. This is a 20-ounce hydro flask. If you look at the dent in the back on the bottom, so this hydro flask I have had for like maybe 3 years now, not a single dent until I started using this bag. So basically, as I carry it, even just a little bit tilted, this guy falls out, and it fell out, I don't know, 5-6 times by now. Very annoying. But otherwise, it's a great pocket, right? I think the problem is the pocket is too wide. So I think if you have a 32-ounce plastic Nalgene, maybe that's good. This also makes a good thumb pocket, but really is not a very good water bottle pocket, unfortunately. While we're here, you see these mesh openings? So these things are everywhere. And I guess the idea is it lets the content air out, which is great because, again, it's a gym bag. On this side, same thing, mesh. But then the bottom is a shoe compartment, which is really, really nice. So it unzip, right? Opens up. There's a little pocket here. Even, not that I use it, then I have my pair of gym shoes in there. These are size 8, so they're not very large, but you know, it fits in there nicely. And basically, it's just taking room from the inside, so it doesn't matter how large your shoes is. It will always work, it just eats up more room in the center. So let's go to the inside. This is a 24-liter bag. C-shaped opening, right? Great. So basically, it opens up entirely so that you can get to the content. So I have my change of clothes in there. Slides for the showers. Tom Bin 3D organizer, great for the gym. More change of clothes, other stuff, but you can tell that the shoe pocket basically is eating into the interior space, which is fine. So let me repack this. All right, so again, at the gym, I just basically stuff things in or get things out as I need them. And I actually forgot to show you from the inside, as I was complaining about the water bottle pocket. Right, so the shoe compartment goes in this way, but on this side, there is actually, if I can get it to it, a water bottle pocket as well. So there you have it, the AER Gym Duffel version 3.